Ako si Jerry Amarnani and I have been bike commuting for 10 years. I bike commute from Makati to Mandaluyong, mga around sa City Hall ng Makati hanggang sa may Greenfields area. So the most direct route for me would be EDSA. Isa po ako sa mga founder ng Pinay Bike Commuter Community. Tinayo namin yung community para i-encourage sila na kaya nila. Gusto namin silang tulungan bilang mga kapwa babae. Bike commuter is very unique kasi we don't have to be caged in such a way na ito dapat yung look ng isang bike commuter. We can all dress up how we want. For a woman to be able to move independently, ibang level yung empowerment na nabibigay nun sa isang babae. I'm enjoying all the freedom that I get. With the pedal assist, hindi lang niya pinapatag yung ahon, meron din siyang boost on your first pedal. Nadi-distribute ko yung energy ko sa ibang bagay. Kasi I'm not only a bike commuter and a worker, I'm also a mother. Nung una, nagkaroon ng fear, kasi parang hindi malinaw kung ano ba talaga yung definition ng e-bike. Pero eventually naman, nilinaw naman ng MMDA kung ano talaga yung mga pwede lang. What I'm really asking as a mother who is a bike commuter is to ensure that the infra that you put caters to everyone. We need to constantly improve our infra. Ang gusto kong makita ng mga tao, with the current situation right now with our traffic and with our pollution problem, bicycle is a solution. Halos lahat ng driving natin ay within the city na kaya na rin ibigay ng bisikleta yun. Definitely, bicycle is a sustainable mode of transport. The future of e-bike is bright.